Willkommen zu einem neuen Unboxing. So, ich muss mal schnell die Tür zu machen. I have to close the door fastly. So, here we are. So, next unboxing, new plane. So, next plane could be the 787 Boeing house livery or Emirates. Has its two airplanes from Emirates. So, let's take a look in the box. Schauen wir mal in der Box nach. And it's the 787, I believe. Yes, it is. Okay, cool. This is a very special plane for me. I'm not really a Boeing fan, I have to say. I like Airbus much more due to what should I say? I'm just a Airbus fanboy, but I have also a lot of Boeing, I have to say. It's not that I hate Boeing and I just like Airbus. So, und vielleicht ist es auch noch so, ich flog nur mit Airbus, glaube ich, bis jetzt. I've just flown with Airbus for now, so probably it's not a reason. Anyway, let's open this bubble. Machen wir das mal auf. Oh shit, ich bin an die Kamera gekommen. Acuna.com. Small view of Acuna, whatever. Facebook fan page. Just kleiner Tipp. Give the Facebook fan page a like and probably you will get some discount on some models. It's if you can buy this or whatever, or if you are buying from if you're going to buy from or if you will buy from Acuna.com, it's a good idea to like the Facebook fan page. So, das ist die Box. Registration N787BX. Bekannte Registration irgendwie. Famous registration. Hier Boeing, Phoenix Logo. Limited edition. Boeing's at the heart of aviation, whatever. Here we produced under license from Boeing Management Company. 787 and Boeing are among the trademarks owned by Boeing. So, dann wieder die Boeing und da 787. I'm going to tell you afterwards why I like the 787 so much. It's really, you will see it after. So, let's open the box. And what we see is, wow, cool, 787 house livery. Well, did you see this? I believe, yes, you did, Heart of Aviation. So, let's move the camera a little bit down. Here we have the 787. Looks really cool, I have to say, it looks cool. So, first plastic today I see. Wow, it's first impression, it's really heavy, es ist ziemlich schwer, das Flugzeug. So, okay, let's go to the Zoom part. Also, was ihr da sehen könnt, Cockpit, dann 0, es tut mir leid, sorry about this. My camera is pretty bad in focusing small things, I don't know why. It's a good camera, but anyway. Da sieht man irgendwie 003, das ist glaube ich ein Teil der nee. I don't know what the 003 stands for. If you know, please write into the comments, would be cool. Dann irgendwie solche Bemalungen, keine Ahnung was das ist. If you know this, this whatever this is, looks like some icons or whatever. Also here, you can write into the comments too, it interests me. Ja gut, dann da sieht man, dass noch das Rolling ist ein wenig. Gear ist ein wenig vertreten. So. Okay, let's zoom out a little bit. Ich glaube, ich bin auch der Erste, den dies hat. So, ich hoffe, es bleibt noch ein... sorry about this. Okay, this is the first detail, are these little zigzag things or whatever. Wait, I have to put the... Okay, it looks now that the engine is pretty down. But yeah, it touches nearly the ground. Probably it's because of the plastic. But it touches nearly the ground. So if you're a perfectionist, don't buy this. Also das berührt jetzt auch fast den was sagen wir jetzt, den Motor oder die Turbine, genau. Berührt auch fast den Boden, also keine Ahnung, ob das ist wahrscheinlich einfach nicht sauber gemacht von Phoenix, naja. Okay, first detail I love about this aircraft is these zigzag thingies here. I really like it, and it looks really great. That's really a point I deserve, or no, not deserve. I find this very cool. So this is really cool at the new 787. These details. Then let's go to the other part. Here the wing. Also hier der Flügel. Der Wingflex ist just enormous. Also ist wirklich ziemlich groß. Das finde ich wirklich cool. Ich zeige es euch mal von oben. In pictures, I believe it looks harder, the wing flex, but yeah, the wing flex is pretty cool, I have to say this. Then no winglets here. Strange for Boeing. Boeing has a lot of winglets, even bigger, really big winglets often, for example the 737, also sehr große Winglet. Dann hier Dreamliner, genau. Ich glaube, I didn't mention the name Dreamliner before, I guess. So, dann hier 787, 787, wie ihr da selber lesen könnt. Dann ist das eigentlich auch schon fertig, das Flugzeug. Ja, würde mich interessieren, eure Meinung, your opinion about this model. Please write into the comments. Interests me really. Would you buy this model? Yes or no? Wouldn't you? Why? It interests me, believe me. Because I really like this aircraft. I like the 787 in general. It's a great airplane. I haven't flown in it yes for now, but I want, so only Nippon Airways and Japan Airlines. Thai Airways is going to buy one. Ja, also ich weiß noch nicht so viel, welche das alles haben, aber egal. So, dann bis zum nächsten Mal und bis zu einem nächsten Video. Dann, ja, bye.